Do you think these clips are made using Google VEO3? You're wrong. This tool isn't free for everyone, but I spent weeks searching and found a way that will give you unlimited access for free. Let's see if this tool is actually better than Google VEO3. To find out, we will go to Google Chrome. Search for Video Generation Arena Leaderboard. Open the first website that shows up and go to the leaderboard. Now, you can see that ByteDance Seed has already surpassed Google VEO3, even though it came after Google VEO3. In this video, we will cover 3 important steps: how to make videos, how to make unlimited videos, and how to remove watermarks from them all for free. So without wasting any time, let's get straight to the Google Chrome screen. Now we are on the Google Chrome screen. Now first search for Dreamina AI. The first website that shows up, open it. On the top right corner, you'll find the Sign In option. Click on it. Accept their terms of service and sign in. After that, click on Continue with Google, then select your email. Once done, click Continue. Now I'll randomly fill this in and then click Next. Afterward, I'll simply click Cross for any other pop-ups. Click Explore, and you'll see the website's interface. At this point, you'll notice that only the AI image option is available. The AI video and AI avatar options are marked Coming Soon. Here's where we use a trick. Open your VPN. I'm using Urban VPN, and select the United States. Once connected, go back to the website, refresh the page, and boom! Now you'll see both the AI video and AI avatar options open. You'll see that you have 0 credits. Don't worry, we can still generate videos. Click on AI image, select AI video. To show you the video quality, I'll give this website a basic prompt and click on Generate. This will take some time to process, around 1 to 2 minutes, and after that, your video will be ready. You can see the quality here, but this is just a basic video. Now, let's move to an advanced video. I'll give it another prompt. But once I click the arrow, the website will show an error. But no worries, we have a trick for this that will work forever, no matter how many updates this website gets. First, click on the 2 lines in the bottom left corner and sign out. When the website asks you to sign in again, click the Sign In option and select Continue with Email option. Then open a new tab and search for Temp Mail. Open the first site that appears to generate unlimited emails. Copy the email they provide and go back to the website. Click on the Sign Up option given below. Then paste the email and choose any random password. And click Continue. The website will ask for a code, so go back to the temp mail, find the code, then come back and enter it. Then, fill this randomly and click Next. Simply click Cross on any extra options. Now, you'll see you've received 120 free credits. This means we can generate 2 5-second videos or 1 10-second video with sound all for free. Now, let's generate a 10-second video. I'll paste the prompt I created earlier and click the arrow. In less than a minute, it will be ready. You can see the professional video is complete. Click on the video and, on the right bottom side, click Generate Soundtrack to add sound, all for just 20 credits. Once your credits run out, just repeat the same process. The only change is that when you need a new email, delete the old one, and the website will automatically generate a new one for you. You can create an account in under a minute and generate thousands of professional videos absolutely free. Now, let me show you some of the videos I've generated. They're super eye-catching and viral, but there is one issue that is watermark. This prevents us from uploading them to any platform. But don't worry, here's how we can fix it. Open a new tab and search for media.io. Once on the website, click Login on the top right and select Create Account below. Then go to Temp Mail, copy the email, and paste it on the website. Choose a random password that includes numbers and alphabets. Then click Create Account. As you can see, my free account is just created. Scroll down, and you'll find the option Video Watermark Remover. Click on it, and then click Try it online. Upload your video and cover the watermark with your mouse. Then, click on Remove Object Now. This will take few seconds to remove watermark. Now you've seen the watermark is removed from the video. Since this works one time, we can log in with a new temp mail to remove watermarks from unlimited videos. If you found this content valuable, please like and subscribe so I can keep bringing you amazing content. Now you have professional clips, but if you want to make your video 30x more engaging, watch this video in which I am talking about a website where you can get free motion graphics like Dreamina.